Hello, OPHIUCHUS. This is your channel messages for the 4th of September to the 10th of OPHIUCHUS the healer. Let us go ahead and go into your reading. See what are the messages for you today, aujourd'hui. Let's go. Let's go, OPHIUCHUS. Here we go. First card out is the King of Swords. Okay, he is trending. He was trending in Pisces reading. So I'm getting you're dealing with a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. 6 of Pentacles. Okay, so I'm getting someone's on their feet, someone's on their knees. They're begging. I tell people all the time, I might beg a man, but I'll never motherfucking chase him, right? So I'm getting something about beg. All right, so I'm getting the man need help. So the King of Swords is an established man. No. Women have to understand that sometimes when we see these big men, they're in a debt. They're living off credit cards that they're paying this. They're using this credit card to pay this, and when this clear, they use this and pay this. So I don't know. Come getting somebody need help. Maybe you're dating a man and him not doing financially okay. Maybe him ghost you because him don't have money and him don't know if, like you're there with a man who established who's supposed to know to take care of himself. Him might try and impress him. Don't have money. Me getting him actually need help. He needs help. Now I feel like if you're a genuine man and you're there with a genuine girl and she's in the position to help you, she will help you. I don't know if you're a dirty man who will take the help and switch up on her. But me getting if you're a genuine man and you need help, me getting you need help, but you're not asking a girl or you're not asking a girl where you fuck. He's a 10, but he needs help. Ugh, cringe. You know, I was with this guy the other day and he was telling me how he needs help with stuff and I was like, cringe. Right? So I'm getting him need help. I'm getting somebody though. This could be you gamble. You gamble a whole lot of money and you lose. You gamble and you thought somebody had your back. Gotcha, motherfucker. Remember, before you try to gamble against someone having your back, make sure you have the person back too. Because you think somebody gonna be blindly loyal to you. Me getting gambling, you lose all of your money. Me getting you need help. Or maybe you're testing somebody, me getting you to ask this girl for money for help you. I don't know if you know this girl have money. Me getting you to ask her, you gonna say, you know me not no money, can give me this money, get money, something money. And you gonna hear what she say. So I don't know if you're playing broke or you are broke. It's okay. The debt card. Whew. You're in a debt? Me getting enough money. Come me getting it up on your knees. This is as bad as is either you beg somebody for help or you're homeless or something like, are you dead? Me getting someone saying you have to beg them and them have to say yes. And if them don't, and even after you beg them, if them don't say yes, you're dead. Me getting someone saying, come me getting somebody say if you don't help me, you're dead. I don't know if somebody gamble, but me getting somebody may have abandoned you when they were up. And now them on them knees, them need your back. So maybe somebody left you in a fucked up situation for them to come back and ask you for forgiveness. You might even find out that somebody put a hit on you. And the hit never. If somebody did a spell to harm you, they get the spell backfire. Or the spell never went through. I'm seeing a lot of crashes happen. Be careful, people. A lot of crashes are happening. We don't know what happened. Anyways, yeah, me getting something about you beg. We don't know what you beg for, but we're getting debt. We have the Page of Wands and we also have the, okay. Me literally getting you're a King of Swords, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Me getting you're at a Leo, Aries, Sagittarius, younger guy's expense. Me getting the person who you're afraid of, or the person who have the power for make you even fear this, or you gamble out the whole of your money to a one younger guy. A younger guy, me getting a younger guy have your dick between your ass, like he could reach your asshole. Me getting the younger guy have it that way. Me don't know if him have lawyers. Do you know who my father is? My father can't buy your father. Me getting is a younger guy have you in a one fucking chokehold. And me getting you rich. Me not getting you a older man. This younger guy, oh, me don't know who him have. You probably have a very educated mother. And you know if that was a Muslim mother who went through school and got an education, that's a dangerous woman. Nothing's more dangerous than a woman who cover her head and have education. I'm telling you, me getting him have lawyers. Me getting ya begging. I said, please, yeah, beg this younger guy. And the younger guy is like, so I don't know what you're saying. Me getting ya Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Cause me getting the younger guy saying you're mentally, you're mentally fucked up for what you did. That's what I'm gonna say. Cause me getting the younger guy take pride with is a Leo. You see, if the younger guy is a Leo, yeah, him gonna put you up on blast. Him want everybody know what you do. And him want to be known as the person who exposed this. You're a good guy, Leo. Thank you. I try. In another life, I would be a law enforcement officer. Me getting somebody in a debt. OPHIUCHUS, what the fuck is this? No, this could be something about a medical bill. Me getting medical bills, a lot of medical bills. Or blood. Them need their blood. So somebody might get into an accident, them need blood. If you're going to the hospital will take your blood. Them need your blood. Don't know why them need your blood. Them need your blood. Could be something about your blood. Your blood's weird. You have weird blood. King of Swords is clarified by the Sun card. Okay, so he's happy. Something about a baby. I don't know if this younger guy is exposing this guy for having a baby. So me getting the King of Swords happy. The Leo, yeah, me getting the younger guy is a Leo. You know, so I see something on YouTube I say one girl. Let me tell you the only time that I believe hoeing is correct. The one girl, the one man and him cheat on her. She left him and there with his son. To this day, the son no fuck on her. And the father mad. He mad. The father meet the girl first. Younger girl, you know, there with the girl and everything. Cheat on her, have almost how much want on her. I don't know how the son meet her. I'm there with the son marry her. The son proposed to her and marry her. She was fucking his dad, brody. She was fucking his dad. He knew her because she was fucking his dad. And his dad fucked on her. I don't know how she and the son get familiar. I don't know if she confide in the son at her age. But she never fuck on the father. The father fuck on her with other girls. She there with the son. And the son proposed to her and marry her. That son is unbothered. Anyways, the Six of Pentacles is clarified by the 6. So we have 66. Yes, sacrifice. We're getting debt. Do you think someone was pregnant? Maybe you think someone's preggo. We have the Knight of Cups. We're getting be careful something about a car crash. You're crashing on one car. This Aries, Leo, such this Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. I don't know if you're gonna crash with a baby in the back seat. Or me getting something glare your eyes, like you couldn't see for a second on the road. The Page of Wands is clarified by the 8 of Cups, and the Justice card is clarified by me getting telling somebody, listen, you have a like somebody saying to you, listen, I'm gonna expose if having a child, I'm gonna expose for woman know. Maybe somebody was doing a background check on you. Someone saying if you don't leave somebody alone, I'm gonna expose you. So cut your losses and leave this person alone. Me getting it's a younger guy though. But me getting him lawyer the fuck up, or have this lawyer on him side. Him have this Libra on him side. Speaking of Libras on your side, Astro Queen, me gonna come for you a little bit, Astro Queen, because I know you don't like me, but I still gonna talk about you. Astro Queen, when they going to change your name back to Astro Queen? Because I don't know where the fuck this picket tree come from. Picket tree? What the fuck is it? You mean like a picket fence? You mean like a white picket fence, like the American dream? Oh, so you want to be a housewife with kids and a husband? Is that what you want? You don't want to be a terrorist, Astro Queen? First of all, change your name back to Astro Queen, because I don't know. As first is Astro Queen, then is our next Roman. Know whose identity we have, which demon is in her right now. A picket tree terror. What kind of dumbass shit is that? Who is your agent? Change it back to Astro Queen, please. And you cannot be naming picket tree and you still use the Astro Queen red background. So what you want? Cause you know what, Astro Queen, I'm gonna tell you something about you. You don't strike me as lesbian. I want to tell you that. I want you to, while other people might mock me for being bisexual or having a penis or being lesbian, Astro Queen, me feel like in a life, if you did have a man who would commit to you, and you could have lived with him in 2 different rooms where you still could read tarot and have a baby and be happy, and the man don't fuck on you and they make you feel beautiful, you would not fuck girls. Brody, I don't know. This is not clocking to me. I don't know. People have them judgments of me. I'm telling you, my judgment of Picketry, aka Astro Queen. You know, like, girl, you fuck man. Are you bisexual? I have watched almost. Listen, when you have good tarot readers or content creators, you will watch them, and you'll watch because with even tarot, you know, like in tarot, you'll watch your zodiac sign. You see, when you know the tarot reader is really good, you'll watch all of them readings, every single one. Now, watch Astro Queen readings, especially 2019. September 2019 to December 2019 is a really good period in our life. Yeah, girl, you is not lesbian. I don't know who pay a Trump. Did Trump pay you? Astro Queen, don't strike me as lesbian. If you fuck girl, okay. Your choice. I'm happy for you. I'll support you with whatever you want to do, even though you don't support black women. Unless I'm light skinned and with long Caucasian hair. But at the same time, me just don't feel like you fuck girls. Me feel like you would fuck a man. Me feel like you would have done with a man. Picket tree. That's what you want. 2 kids and a white picket fence with 2 cars and a home. You want to be a wife or you want to be a tarot reader, Astro Queen? What the fuck do you want? Mom, you need to change back your name because this is not working. Let me go look for him now. Annex. Picket tree. Picket, you the fuck? Like tree link? Change that shit back to Astro Queen, please and thank you, because this don't make no sense. Anyways, one more, I'm gonna leave it here. Turning your back. Saying no, saying leave me the fuck alone, ho. You worry about my name, worry about your income tax. Let's go. You're still my best friend, Virgo. We have Lilith. Lilith is Adam's first wife, destruction of children. I don't know if you try to destroy the children with your LGBTQAI movement. And Astro Queen, you do not strike me as a girl who fuck girls only. You would have come, girl, you know, you're bisexual. I just feel like men are not off the table. I feel like the disgusting personality of what men spiritually, psychologically, and emotionally has done, has traumatized us as women, but at the same time, I just don't believe that you play for one team. Astro Queen, I don't believe that. Ariel, okay, natural world healing, protection of nature. Worse if you want tarot reader what can agree with man. If you want tarot reader will get along with men, girl, you fuck a man. I don't know why you distract yourself with light skinned bitches. We have Josephine. Let me read it first. Beauty, wisdom, and enlightenment. Jafeel. There we go. We have Leo. Yeah, someone's a Leo. Someone's like, I'm guessing I want a young guy. I want Leo. Jesus Christ. Grandiose. Leo men will grandiose your clit. I'm telling you. Leo men. Leo. Them will be like over the fucking top, man. Okay, we have Azrael, angel of death, guiding other souls to the afterlife. And we also have Satan, evil and temptation, the wrath of opposition to God. So I'm believing you feel like you're a middle-aged, highly intellectual, evil man. You meet a young Leo man, one more evil. I'm going to leave it here. Until next time, bye.